Alright, today I am going to go over the heating and cooling climate control in the 2018 Ford Escape. Alright, don't forget to give me a like right down there, and I'm just going to go an overview of the controls, okay, of the heat and cooling system. Alright, we're going to start right here, okay. As you can see right here, this knob right here indicates how cool or warm you want it in the vehicle. Cool air is all the way to the left, warmer air, spin it to the right, clockwise, okay. There's an auto feature right here. This button right here, if you press this, it will automatically go into auto, and it will blast out some air to try to get to the most probably extreme temperature that you probably need it at, or you want it at. All right, I'm just gonna press that. In order to turn the auto mode off, I'm just gonna press down the fan, and I'm just gonna press it down to low to get it down so I can speak to you all. All right. So you have that, and then we're going to go down right here. This is the power button. Say for instance you need to turn the air conditioning cooling system off. You press this, and boom, it's off. It's starting to get hot in here. I'm going to turn it back on because I'm hot. All right, so it's on. All right, next we're going to go over to the defroster button. This right here will defrost. If I press that, it will defrost the windshield. Press it again, it's off. Right here is the rear defrost. Right here is circulation. Inside the circulation, that means it will recycle the air inside. And then right here is the controls for where you want the air to be flowing. If I press that, it's blowing in my face. Press that, blowing at my feet and my face. Just my face. You can make some adjustments. All right. So when you get in here, there's also a seat warmer feature. You press that, it can warm up the seats. All right, turn that off. Right here, max defrost. It will blow it really hard if I press this. Oh, I pressed it once. Listen, it's blowing hard, right? I'm gonna turn it off because I don't need to defrost anything right now. It's too hot. All right. So, all right, I have that. And then we're gonna go across right here. This is the max AC button. When you press this, it's gonna give the max AC. All right. That's max AC, and now you can control the temperature by turning the knob. You can also control the temperature of the passenger side by controlling this knob. This button right here, if you want air conditioning to blow cold, make sure this button is pressed and the light is lit up. AC, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.